As we walk towards the declared date of the 26th of October, both as a God-fearing leadership and government, as well as believers in the rule of law, it is our duty to fulfill our constitutional mandate, and we will. A scripture says that if the people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear them from heaven and forgive their sin and will heal their land. The first step, and one which I hereby call for, is an extended period of prayer and reconciliation this weekend.